traditions of Patriot basketball. We had an outstanding season. I want to congratulate the team and the coaches on that effort. And I also want to thank the members of the hiring committee. This is a decision that we certainly did not take lightly because we want to build on our traditions of the past and continue to strive for excellence. So again, welcome. And at this time, I'm going to turn it over to our athletics director, Carrie Harwood, to make the announcement.
Thanks, Mr. Harrington. Also, I'd like to thank our committee as well. We have a good group, and we needed a basketball coach, and we didn't have to go too far to find him because he's been loyal to this program. He's probably helped him from youth leagues on up since he's been here. He continues to volunteer with camps, and I just want to say, Casey, I know you've been a part of the family, but now you're an official head coach, and you're officially a part of the family here. And I think you'll see that all head coaches in all sports, and you see several of them are in the back today, they're going to support, and they'll be at every basketball game, and we're a big family. And I know you and Aaliyah are very excited, and you got a future Patriot basketball player on the way. He'll be here any day now. So I know you're excited about that, and what a great day for you and your family. So at this time, our next Patriot basketball coach, Coach Casey Napier.
All right, guys, first off, I want to start out by thanking the necessary people. First off, media. Thank you guys. You guys have always done a great job of covering us. Thank you for sharing this special day with myself and my wife. Also, administration, athletic department, thank you guys for giving me this opportunity. God knows I've wanted this for a while. So just being in this role really does mean something to me. To the guys, thank you all. It's good seeing your faces, believe it or not. Thank you for showing me support. I believe you guys are excited as well. I've been a part of this program for a long time, whether it be playing or coaching, and it would be criminal for me to get up here and thank people without mentioning the guys that I worked under. Most recently with Coach Bonds, alongside with Coach Rippey, going all the way back to Coach Willett, even good buddy of mine, Coach Lindsey, my 2 years over at Warren East with Coach Combs. Those guys, I owe all of them so much. So I know 2 of them's here. Thank you all. And then last but certainly not least, I need to thank my wife. As Coach Harwood just said, we are expecting our first child. And whenever we say any day, we mean any day. Within the next 10 days at least. So without her support, her blessing, there's no way I could have made this commitment. And honestly, she was more excited, I think, about this than I was. So just having that support at home just meant the world to me, and I need to thank her as well. And also, anybody else that I did leave out, that I didn't name specifically, thank you. There's been tons of people contributed to this, and it really means a lot. Just seeing familiar faces around here for today, the text messages, the phone calls, it just means a ton, and I really do appreciate it.
City or media have any questions for Coach Napier?
We're just going to get him on the side.
Okay. All right. One.
Guys, seriously, thank you guys. It means a lot. Super excited to get this thing rolling. Hopefully we're getting close to being back to normal. But I know I'm excited. Leah's excited. Coach Harwood said, hopefully we've got a future Patriot on the way. Super excited just to have him grow alongside the program with myself, with the kids. So seriously, thank you all. Appreciate it.